035.
Ooh, whoa!
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Whoa! Now we're in the Sky Suites this time. Whoa! Look at that view, y'all. Whoa! Look at this. Ooh. Ooh, man. What's that? What kind of smart toilet? Ooh, linen basket. Ooh, look at this closet. Gee, this is how the hoity-toities live. Ooh. Ooh, this bathroom is humongous. Shoot. Look at this. What? No, man. They even got a dang on dental kit. Jeez. What? Ooh. Eye mask. Whoa. Oh, television in the bathroom. Ooh. Let's see what else. Ooh. Turns into a bed. Let me go. Jeez, look at the other side. Look at this. Premium coffee kit. Little, ooh, now that's a refrigerator. You know, cooler, that's a refrigerator. Ooh. Candle. Sheesh. Oh, I ain't gonna touch it, but it do look nice. Ooh. Make sure you like and subscribe to Sawyer Shenanigans. Second restroom, new bedroom. Look at that. Wait a minute. It is 3 bathrooms in here. What the hell? This is how you do it. Viva Las Vegas. Ooh. Man. Even got a scale. Nobody gonna get on no dang on scale. Ooh. Another closet. Ooh, with robes. This is how these, boy, why couldn't I be born hoity-toity, mother? I'm loving this closet. Got your little safe. And look, little house shoes. Wow, now this here is nice. Another smart toy. toilet. Oh no. You want to clean your rear, your front, and dry it off. Wow. Make a phone call to get services. It's all in here. This here is nice. Finally got a free upgrade that's worth something. Oh yeah, of course it's gonna have a lot of storage space. Ooh. Man, I can't get over this. Wow. This is going to control the curtains and the control. So let's see. Drapes open. Let's open up the shears. And look at that view. The cool thing is you can control your room through the tablet. Through the tablet. High Limit Lounge. Alibaba Lounge. And here is our morning view. So you got your day dishes, croissants, energy drink, juice, sodas.